Once again, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So today we are going to discuss a topic: impact of news channels on society. Okay. So you all are familiar with news channels in India, in our country, India. There are lots of news agencies and news channels. Means they provide some current information about some current situations. Okay. So actually sometimes informations are good, sometimes informations are not good. Actually sometimes some channels are getting TRPs, so they promote some bad or negative informations, and sometimes some channels promote some good and right informations. So we are going to discuss impacts of न्यूज़ चैनल्स ऑन सोसाइटी. मीन्स हमारे सोसाइटी के ऊपर जो न्यूज़ चैनल्स हैं उनके क्या इम्पैक्ट्स पड़ते हैं. अब उन इम्पैक्ट्स को हम देखने वाले हैं. इम्पैक्ट्स में आपके नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव दोनों हम कवर करने वाले हैं. मीन्स जो हमारे न्यूज़ चैनल्स हैं उनका हमारी सोसाइटी के ऊपर पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट भी पड़ता है और नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट भी पड़ता है. देन वन बाय वन वी विल डिस्कस दिस टॉपिक एंड आई एम इन्वाइटिंग सम स्टूडेंट्स हियर to discuss this topic. First, I am inviting Paridhi to initiate this topic. What are news channels and what are news channels important for our society, and what are the impacts of news channels on our society? Okay, Paridhi, please come on the stage and let's initiate this topic.
So good evening everyone, and let's start. So news channels are the channels that tells us about the situations and the tragedies that are happening in our country, as its full form also says that northeast, west and south. So it tells us about all the directions and all the cities of the directions, what is happening there also. And they are very important for us because they with the help of them we get to know about the also the diseases also are spreading, so we get to know about them also. Like an example of this can be coronavirus. We get to know about coronavirus by so many news channels, and how to save ourselves from this we get this also we get to know about the news channels. And if we talk about its impact, so it has both impacts, negative and positive. And like negative impact, so everyone watches news channels, so the news channels also tell us about the how the how thieves steal the money. So other thieves also get to know about the strategies that the thief has used, so they also use that. So it has a bad impact. And positive impact, it tells us about the things that we are doing in our daily life, and if it is not good and it have any impact on us, so it tells us about that, and we can save ourselves from that thing.
Actually, on the screen, you can see some examples of news channels just like G News, News 18, India Today, Aaj Tak, India TV, NDTV 24/7, ABP News, and there are lots of and multiple channels in India and all over the world. Actually, some channels are ranking on 1, 2nd, 3rd, this type of ranking. Actually, some channels are promoting by the government, just like Lok Sabha TV, Raj Sabha TV, and some government official channels just like DD News and all. Okay. Actually, sometimes, you already know about that India has a freedom of press. Okay. So if you have a freedom of press, so just you can say you can publish, means whatever you want to like. Okay. Means whatever you want to whatever you want to publish, so you can publish. But actually, you have to maintain a decorum with the news. If you publish a news, so if the news will get just by the audience and by consumers and customers, just like some common people, so actually sometimes it affects a lot. Means if you promote a good news or a bad news, so actually people's think that actually that channel was very good. But sometimes some channels promote fake news, false news, so that time public opinion is that actually that channel was not good. So rating was decided by the means activity of these kind of channels. Okay, so next I am inviting Ayush Misri. So Ayush will tell about the what are the positive impacts of society on on news channels of news channels. Sorry, on society on of news channels.
Telling about the positive impact of news channels on the society. So it is like the news channels help the society to get more information about a particular person or a particular thing. As in the current times, there's of the people lived in some areas as they are famous. So the society get information from the news channel about them. That's all.
Okay. Next I am inviting Ishika. Ishika will tell you about what are the negative impacts of means on news channels of society.
It has a positive and negative impact. Just negative impact, like if news channel told the news and the people think wrongly about that, so it has negative impact. And positive impact, like it give us knowledge and also aware about the things that we don't know.
Next I am inviting Manvi. So Manvi will tell you about means why news channels are important for everyone.
So news channel is important for everyone to get the knowledge and what's going on, and also to get current affairs. Like there are so many people who is very busy in their job, so they don't have that much time to take proper information lively, like by going there, etc. So they can watch news channels and take information from them. So it is very necessary for everyone, because nowadays everyone have to knowledge about what's going on in our country, what's the current decisions, and so many things. It is very necessary nowadays.
Okay, next I am inviting Harshit. So Harshit, if we see or watch news on regular basis, so what are the impacts on us?
So the impact feel in us, just like we have the good general knowledge, and we can also know the current affairs of the world and the India, and also we have lots of important information that we get from the news channels. If we watch news channels daily, we have to see the news channels for 10 to 20 minutes, not for all the day that you are seeing only news channels. It is for a short time, and learn some new things from the news channel, just like some headlines are come in the news channel. So it is also benefit for us if we are preparation for any exam or any type of job.
Okay. So next I am inviting Kush. So Kush will tell you about what are the importance of news channels on just like in students age or for students.
Sir, news channels are very important. Are very important for everyone. Basically, for also for students, because students can know about current affairs, like when like the like some on some government channels, the board classes can get and know that who scored the best in these exams, or whenever exams will held.
Actually, Kush and Harshit said, yes, you can go now. Kush and Harshit said actually the importance of newspaper in news channels in students' life. Actually, newspaper also important for students' life and everyone's life. Actually, if you are a student, so you have some current news. Means if you were going, if you were giving, or if you will give in exams future, so just you have to prepare a current affairs. So with the help of news channels, you can prepare current affairs. Okay. Next I am inviting Siddharth. Siddharth will tell you about what are the negative impacts of news channels on students.
So many times the news channels on news channels there are many news of the case, like of kidnapping and the murders. So they are badly impact on students, that
they will be afraid to go outside. They are scared that they will not be in such situations.
Actually, so many newses means that are not important for students, just like kidnapping and just like so many informations that are not important for students. But actually, sometimes some news channels promote a similar kind of case on a regular basis, 24 into 7. Okay, Siddharth. Next, I'm inviting Purvi. So Purvi will tell you about what are the impacts on the Purvi's life of news channels.
So there are many impact just like I know about the other country information and children's kidnapping and many more things that help uh, in, in protect me and other student. That's all.
Next, I'm inviting Aradhya. So Aradhya will tell you about why news channel important for everyone.
So first of all, very good evening everyone. So I think news channels are important for everyone because as a news full form is north, east, west and south, it indicates that it will just aware you about what's going on in this universe and sorry not about universe in this world, like in every continent, in China, USA and India, everywhere you will get to know about the with the help of news channels because they are just awareing us from everything. Newspapers are mainly awareing us from the local cases just like happening in Madhya Pradesh or wherever you live. So it will not indicate that what is happening in this world, but news channel will just tell what's going on. And also news channel also enhance the general knowledge as we get to know about the localities and all the general knowledge things that are important in our life, so that our general knowledge will also be good.
Actually, we can easily find the information about our area, about our city, about our country. It means about our all over the world. Okay, next I'm inviting Arnav. So Arnav will tell you about why news channels are important for Arnav's life.
It is important because it tells us many things like what is happening in our country and what is the current affairs. This is good for everyone. So I saying that all everybody have to watch news daily basis.
Yes, everyone should watch news on daily basis. Actually, if you are not getting news channels or means if you are not handling news channels, so you can read the newspaper on regular basis on 10 to 15 minutes. Just in student life, just you can read the headlines, and there are some important topics you can cover on Sunday. Next, I am inviting Yashraj. Yashraj will tell you about what are the negative impacts of news channels on students' life.
So there are many negative impacts of news channel on student life. I have an example of negative impact or if impact. Means the students see bad things like kidnapping, murder and other things. So these are so bad for students, and we have also listened that the what the students see and hear, so they learn that thing. And it is also very important for a student life that they do not have to see bad things and learn bad things. That's all.
Next, I am inviting Harsh. So Harsh will conclude this topic and will tell you about what are the impacts of news channels on our society.
Sir, there are some impact on news channel on our society, but there will be no impact on elder persons. But there will be impact on children, because we all know that many times news channel tells us wrong awareness about and some about anything, and they say that wrong awareness about that. Is there any god inside this cave, and is there anyone inside the cave, and this is the wrong awareness, and many time we watch we watch news channel and they said us wrong information, and we should not watch TV, and don't watch too much news channel. And in the conclusion, I want to share that many times we should not watch TV, and because the news channels people make fake news many time.
Okay. Actually, just in 21st century, in today's life, actually we are totally dependent on the social media. Okay, or just like in social things. So actually we have to maintain our time for the news channels. Also, actually we can get some important information from them. But actually sometimes we should aware, means what are the bad news for us and what are the good news for us. Yes.
I want to add some point that we should not watch a news channel. If we have mobile phone, so we should download Dainik Bhaskar or other app. It's we can watch easily what's happening and going inside our India.
Means you want to say that just you have to read the news.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issue. Actually, means every news channels has applications available, so you can just read the news. Actually, sometimes if you listen the news, so sometimes they repeat repeatedly. Okay, just like they tell us repeatedly, and sometimes they don't cover the area, just like uncertainty, just like unemployment, poverty, means main factor of the country. Just like sometimes some persons give bribe to the officers, so sometimes they don't cover these kind of informations. But actually news channels have a faith, means our news channels should have faith about society and about our country. Okay, so actually we are spreading this news for all kind of persons, all kind of students, all students. Actually you have to take care of the news, and you should aware, means what are the good or what are the bad news for yours. Okay, so we are completing this session here. So goodbye, and please do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.